we're gonna see if they got any e-cases at my location. So hopefully they do. If not, try again tomorrow. Jeez, nothing at all. Dang, this is super clean. Got this set, but I'm not into this one. I love the Porsche set, but just don't really want that one right now. I brought this back. It's probably the most accurate looking Charger. Alright guys, let's try target number 2. See what they got. Alright, let's see. It doesn't look like they're gonna have anything. Oh, but wait. Sweet. I've passed this up a long time ago, and look at that. I've passed these up before. Definitely not doing it again. I got that one. That one's pretty sweet. Used to have that. Uh-oh. We got another one. But I have that already. We got another i8 Roadster. Let's see what else. It's pretty sweet. But definitely taking these. Doesn't look like they have the 2021 release yet. I already have it, but just wanted to see if there was another. But it doesn't look like they have it, so nothing else. A bunch of old stuff. That's kind of cool. Not real big into 007. Look at that. $9 for that? Nope. You got some majorettes. Pretty much the same ones they keep getting. Yeah. Nothing new. That's pretty sweet though. Little S550. Little 4GT action. Got the Camaro. It looks about it, really. So, we'll go ahead and take these. When are they gonna get e-case? That's what I'm waiting for. Well, it looks like there's some e-case. Nice, got the recolor. I think that's all that's left. Ooh, got another recolor of the Grand Cross. What else? So at least I'm leaving with the new Erikenstein rod and the new recolor of the Stinger. That thing looks super clean. And that's it. Man, I was kind of hoping to get the Prelude and a bunch of other ones actually, but looks like we missed out. I think I'm just gonna walk out with these because they don't have anything else. Nothing. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Only e-case cars they have. It's crappy, but at least I got a start. Alright guys, so we are waiting for Kingnut to actually show up. He'll be the first collector to actually check out my collection in person. So I'm actually excited to see his reaction, and here he comes in the old Civic. If I park here, I'll get a ticket. You're good. Holy crap. Kingnut himself. What's up, peoples? My man.
Yeah, hey, this is all from Honest Diecast.
Oh, damn.
Hung out with him yesterday, and dude, I got some great footage. So you hang tight for my video, but this is here.
Nice.
This is all from.
We're gonna go into the hideaway.
I'm stoked, dude. I'm excited.
All right.
I'm excited. Man, what am I doing? Why am I not filming this?
What?
Epic day.
Yeah,
Epic
buddy.
Day.
All right.
I'm going to go see the hideaway.
Come on in.
Oh, this is where the magic happens.
This is where it all happens.
God, I gotta get this bone shaker.
Oh yeah, you can have it.
I gotta. What?
I just picked that up today.
Dude, I'm so stoked.
So here you go.
This is why it's good to know these guys. Look at that.
I seen that one in the bone shaker, and I was like, I don't know if he has it or not.
I am
So
digging these ID cars. I just found this one.
the Mustang.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just found that one.
And then I know you have those ones.
Yeah,
already.
I have all of those.
Yeah. Well, now you have the bone shaker.
Look at this, guys.
And then these ones right here.
I am in.
So here's the Kroger exclusive.
I'm still stuck in shock here. Hold on.
These are yours right here. All right, guys. So as you can see right here, we have Kingnut, who has been touring the hideaway or the hideout.
Oh my goodness, this place is cool.
And he also gifted me this box from Honest Diecast. And he said I'm going to be pretty stoked, which anything from anyone I'm going to be stoked about. But we're going to go ahead and see what is in this box.
Oh man, it is so cool.
Is it?
It is so cool. And after you open this,
Alright.
it is so cool. Alright, let's open that one first.
This one?
That one first.
Oh, there it is.
Dude,
Oh, man,
Derek
that is
made
so
that.
sick. I know, I seen that on that stream too.
He's talented.
God, look at that.
I told Honest.
Oh
that-
man.
I told Honest that he needs
Look
to do more
at
videos
that.
on customizing because that is so cool.
That is sick. God, that detail's really nice.
Look how deep the paint is.
That's almost like a marbleized Spectra Flame. It's actually super, super close to the actual Spectra Flame. Jeez, look at that detail. God, that is sick.
That is so cool.
Damn,
Yeah.
he even detailed the interior? Oh man,
Mm-hmm.
that
I know.
is wicked. Jesus, it makes this main line just look basic as hell.
Yep.
Look at that.
It's a super now.
Huge difference. God, that's sick. Oh man.
The GT3RS, he had used the casting
my
of
God.
the. Oh, you just saw it.
I could already see the back. Holy shit.
Right? When he was like, I'm gonna get,
Jesus. Son of a.
he's like, do you think he has this? And I'm like, dude, I've never seen him talk about this car.
Look at that.
And so he's like, do you think he has it? Do you think he has it?
No, I got the mainline one, which is.
And I told him, I was like,
where is it?
no.
Where is it?
He's never
This
talked
one.
about it.
That's the main line. Look at that super. Jeez. And this is the second one I've noticed that the supers have the hood stripes versus the main line doesn't.
Oh yeah, because the truck's the same way.
Yeah, the 69 Chevys. Jeez.
Do you guys know how hard it is to get the Mustang Hunter something he doesn't already have?
It's very true.
So Honest, man, you were on it. You were on it.
Jeez. God, Derek. Why do you got to do that to me?
I know, you're winning now.
Oh man, that is so sick. Alright guys, so an awesome visit from Kingnut Diecast. As you saw, he did deliver a package from the man Derek Honest Diecast, which he hooked up this super sick, super treasure hunt Mustang. Look at this, guys. I've been wanting this for so long. I've tried trading people, buying it, but no one wants to let this go, and people wanted a ridiculous amount of prices for it. But look at that. That Spectra green, the chrome torque thrust, and look how massive those rear wheels are. That is how a Mustang stance should be staggered. Super deep dish in the back, semi deep dish in the front, and that just, God, that green is just beautiful. Like I said, guys, I do have the main line, and knowing that there was a super for it, I've always wanted it. And like I mentioned out earlier, the stripes on the hood, and I actually just noticed that it has a black wing, and this one doesn't. So That is another huge difference between the mainline and that one as far as the appearance of tampos. But this green, and the fact that Derek hooked me up with this Super Treasure Hunt means the world. Definitely sitting in its rightful spot next to my other Super Treasure Hunt Mustang that I have. So now I have two Super Treasure Hunt Mustangs in my collection. I'm just beyond stoked. But the one that beats this Super, or any of my Supers, was that custom 69 302 he did for me. Look at that, guys. Look at this red. That Spectra Flame red. And to think that that started out like this is insane. Look at the detail, guys. Let's just take another look. Look at the fog lights, the headlights. He had the hood pins, the rivets around the windscreen. I mean, this thing looks super sick. And the wheel choice, those yellow steelies was probably the best thing to make that contrast pop. Then you got the tail lights, the gas cap, and then coming out to the bottom, look at that. He used a chrome paint to do the transmission. You can see the long tube headers, the oil pan, the control arms, the yellow sway bar, the differential, the flathead Allen style screws that just look flush. I mean, this thing, look at that. The door handle is detailed. And when you come around and look inside the interior, he did the yellow harness, the 5-point harness with the silver latch and buckles coming around to the other side. You have the red fire extinguisher. You can see the nozzle silver, the red buttons. He did the rivets around the back seat delete. I mean, this thing is just, God, this camera does not capture how beautiful this car is. Derek, I know this took some hard work because I seen you do the polishing and the hand sanding of all that to get a Spectra Flame look, and I can't thank you enough. So this 69 is not gonna just sit there. I'm actually going to take either this, or I'm gonna buy another M2 for a Freer Friday, release it from the case, and put that 69 in this super sweet display from M2. Just don't want it to sit there. That is going to be in that box and on the center of my display, because that thing is just super sick. But yeah, like I said, guys, it was an amazing visit from Kingnut Diecast himself. He is the first person to actually come and see my collection, so it was really cool to see him check out everything I had. Some of the stuff he's never seen, or he does have a lot of like the newer case from 2020 and all that stuff. But it was fun to see someone else enjoy my collection, because you guys enjoy it through the screen, but I think when you go and see someone else's collection in person, it's just cooler. You actually get to see and capture things that I don't necessarily capture on video. So it was really, really fun. Hooked him up with that Bone Shaker ID, which I did pick up for him. I just wasn't sure if he had it or not, but I did pick up the DeLorean, which I passed up so long ago and I regretted it, but I'm glad I was able to get my hands on it. And then of course, finally got the new recolor of the Stinger in red, which I think this is probably my favorite color variation, not just because it's red, well, actually 100% because it's red. I think out of the three, I loved the blue when it first came out as a beautiful color. The slate gray was okay, but of course, whenever you go red, it just looks sick, but still doesn't compare to that red. Check that out. And then of course I did pick up the other color variation of the Grand Cross, because I do have the other two for the Hot Wheels race team in blue with the black PR5s, and then the matte silver with the huge black and white Trap 5s. This is based off of the Porsche SUV. That's why it is in my Porsche setup. But I'm just not sure if they just couldn't get the licensing, but it is based off of it, kind of like how, somewhat like this Power Pro, it's based off a Toyota Supra with a body kit. They just didn't name it the Toyota Supra, so I think it's one of those type of things where they just never got the licensing. And then of course the new recolor of the Erikenstein rod, which is an interesting color because the box is gray, but the truck itself is like a satin dark green. I don't know.
It does have a greenish tint to it. I still think that the red 52 is probably the sweetest. Look at that. Oh yeah, the red and gold with the black and gold steelies looks clean. That was the first release of it. Would definitely like the red one. But having the variations, I gotta pick them all up. So I'm glad to have at least 3 E-Case cars. I didn't score like Kingnut and Honest Diecast did. They scored all the ones I want. I mean, I think almost 99% of E-Case I want. I want the Prelude, I want the GT40, the Miata. There's a bunch that I want from E-Case, so hopefully I can get my hands on it. As you saw in the video, I did see this and I decided to pick it up. It was either this or the other Supra from the first movie, but I really wanted my hands on the new GR Supra because look how clean that looks. But yeah, guys, like I said, awesome visit from Kingnut Diecast. Go ahead and check out his channel if you haven't already. He also posted a video on how to make his displays. Very good. I actually picked up some supplies so I can make my own. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts were of the E-Case, the Super, as well as that custom 302 from Derek over at Honest Diecast. That is just, I'm still just in awe of how beautiful that cast is. That is it. Until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.